So hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw a fox. Okay, so first of all you need to your pencil and then your art paper, and just follow the step by step. Then you can easily draw your art like this. Okay, just connect all the area. Last you just draw, and then like this, and then here it is a little bit of and just this one. Okay, now it's kind of looking nice. Make a nose for it, make him smile, connect all the area, and just a little bit of his eyes like this. Okay, so this is the way you can draw your fox. And now it's time to coloring. So first of all, we all know that fox are kind of orangey color, matte type of orangey. So I want orange color and some yellow color for his tail like this. Okay, and now orangey color to all over the area, and before that we are going to use red color to his eyes like this, kind of scary, and then the orange color for his body and everything, except the nose. We are going to use a different type of color like pinkish shade for her nose, and then let's draw it again to her body part like this. Make it a little bit of shade like yellow and orange color shade like this here, and then it'll be done. And I'm leaving this area because of I'm going to use another type of color for her feet part of his leg, that's why. And if you want to go with orange color, you can go with it. It's all up to you. It's not necessary that you have to color the whole things with the one color. You can change it yourself. Okay, it's all up to you. And now I'm going to use this gray color for his feet like this, just to look nice and shiny. This no. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next video.